Hey guys, it's Chris here, and welcome back to 2018 on this channel. You know guys, I have the Galaxy Note 8, and today we're going to be talking about wireless charging and where we at today. Hey guys, it's Chris here, and today we're going to be reviewing the RAV Power Foldable Wireless Charger Stand. Most smartphones today don't have what providers called Qi compatibility, meaning unless stated, your smartphone does not have coils built in to support wireless charging. That video was filmed in 2015, 3 years ago. Today we have the Galaxy Note 8, the Samsung S8 Plus, and the new iPhone 10 all supporting Qi wireless charging. That's a big step towards wireless charging, and especially now that we have Samsung on the board, we have fast charging pads like this one that connect through USB-C cables. And because this is becoming the standard, we now have more power and data coming through these. This is the Samsung wireless charging pad. It's USB connected to the back. It has an LED indicator, blue for charging and green for when it's fully charged, and it has a nice feature where you can flip it up and use it as a stand for watching media and content, all while charging your smartphone. The two main things that improved from wireless charging in 2015 is heat and the speed at which your smartphone charges at. It used to be your smartphone would get to like around 90 degrees, 100 degrees just from wireless charging. The amount of lost energy from the pad to your smartphone wireless charging would create a lot of heat for your battery, and that's not a good thing as it degrades it over time. And the second thing is the speed at which it charges from. In this clip you'll see, one takes around an hour and some minutes while the other one adds a little bit more. Wireless charging is slower than wired, but it's still bearable for when you're going to bed and just putting it on your pad and not have to worry about it the next day. Now there are a couple caveats you have to look for, and those are the specs on your wireless charging pad. I would recommend going for something with 9 volts coming out, and that's a good threshold to keep when shopping for a wireless charging pad. Overall, I give wireless charging a solid 8 out of 10 for today's standard. If you're looking for convenience, the price to value ratio right now is pretty good. Previously, you'd be paying a lot more for a lot less utility. Today, you're getting a good, solid bang for buck for that extra convenience. Now, not all of us need wireless charging. USB-C is still very convenient, especially with the reversible cable. But if you want to be somewhat in the future and see where this is going, definitely check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll leave the pads in the description below and some that I recommend. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe for future content. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Mostly follow me on Twitter. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.